Hey y'all, we got a super special for you guys in today's video, and I think that these right here might do relatively well compared to other Air Jordan releases. Let's get into today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. We are here on another Saturday, and it's not like your typical Saturday because we ain't getting that heat that we want to get, bro. You know, last year I feel like almost every Saturday, bro, it was something dropping. It was something coming out. If it was Adidas, New Balance, Jordans, but today is super quiet. So I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and show you guys another early look today. And like I said, man, I think people will actually like these a lot more than past, previous Air Jordan releases, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now, what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So like I said, man, we're gonna stick around. We're gonna wait a couple seconds for everybody to hit that like button, man. And if y'all wondering why I'm wearing this super thick, you know what I'm saying, jacket in here, is because it's freezing. It's like I woke up in the house, it's like 60 degrees, bruh. I had to turn the heat on, but it's a little chilly. So y'all don't mind me, but the jacket, man. All right, guys, like I said, bro, another early look just for the vintage score. I need everybody right now, bro. We're gonna take a pause, man. Just think back, man. Your boy the vintage bring you guys those early bangers back to back. And all I'm asking you guys to do is, man, hit that like button. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see early, bro. What else you want to see early? If you like these, drop some fire, some trash can emojis. And I'm explaining to you guys why I think these might do actually well when these do come around next month, man. But go ahead and check out the box, man. You guys see you have the Nike up top in that white letter, and then you flip it across to the size label right here. Got these joints in the size 9.5. And whoever I did get these from, I did get them off of GOAT. They already had these in store or on a consignment or something like that, because it literally has everything about the sneaker on a separate little label up here, man. So you might get some shoes from different countries or different regions when it comes to buying sneakers off of the GOAT app, man. So the fish colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG, black, white, and white. And I got these in the size 9.5. Like I said, man, let's go ahead and flip the top open. You guys already know, straight from the GOAT app. And this is something different. It got a QR code now, something I haven't seen. But on the flip side, you do have the GOAT right here. And down there it says assurance of authenticity, bro. So that's the side. And I will be doing a full GOAT review here shortly, kind of breaking down all the different aspects from the GOAT app, because I haven't done it in a while. And a lot of you guys have been still asking me, what do I shop with, what third-party sites and stuff like that. And GOAT is one of my most reliable ones that I do shop with, man. So let's go ahead and flip the top open. They do have it in some crazy tissue paper. So let's go ahead and grab one of these joints and put this to the side and go ahead and unveil these things, man. Let's go ahead and unveil what we have here and check them out, bruh. Damn, man, check these beauties out. You guys see it, bro. You almost got like a Panda Air Jordan 1, but they are branding these the black and white Air Jordan 1 High OG Retros. Let me go ahead and take both of the shoes out of the box real quick so you guys can go ahead and check them out, man. Here goes the right shoe right here, and they did throw a lot of tissue paper in these things, like I said, bruh. But off of first rip and off first impressions, bro, they don't look as bad as I think people might think they are. You know what I'm saying? When you get that just solid black and white Jordan 1, you probably like, bro, they can put some boo-boo quality and stuff like that. It ain't super plush and ain't super tumble, but the hits where the white is at, it does have some nice tumble leather on it. So all right here, even your Nike swoosh, and then leading to the toe box, bro, you also get some nice, I'm saying, plushes in that leather. I don't know what all the tissue paper was about, but you did get a bunch of tissue paper with these things right here, man. Let's go ahead and set them up in the back real quick so you guys check them out. And they did not come with any extra laces, which is surprising. They didn't come with any extra laces, so they really make these things super standard. Put that right there so you can check them out, man. But look at them, bro. Let me know how you feel about it, bruh. Early look, Air Jordan 1, black and white. And I know y'all guys probably like, yo, what you talking about? Why do you think these might do well? It's because it is like a Panda, bro. Y'all remember the Panda Dunks? Who don't know the Panda Dunks, bro? The Panda Dunks were instant sellouts. Every time they do restock, bro, them things is selling out because they're a super reliable colorway, because they are predominantly white, and black. And I don't think you can go too far away or too far from a Panda release with a Jordan 1, given the fact that it kind of has the same outsole, the same kind of, you know, makeup of the silhouette. And I think that these might possibly do very, very well in terms of that, because they're super versatile, man. And something that I also think will happen with these, you can also do a lot of different things with the laces. Me, myself, I might even throw in the white laces to see how they look, because I'm super surprised that these did not come with extra laces, bro. I'm gonna bet you guys with some B-roll other sneakers. You guys can let me know how you feel about it, bro. One of them ones to me that I think that I didn't need necessarily, but if you were to cop it for retail or even under retail, if they do happen to do that, it's not gonna be a hard shoe to wear. It's not gonna be a hard shoe that, you know, you're gonna be like, I regret copping it, because like I said, it's super versatile. You can wear it with literally everything. And it's just black and white, bro. Black and white, high Air Jordan 1. Not too sure where they was going with this one right here, because I don't see any names surrounding this one. You know, usually we get like a Panda Dunk or Yellow Orca 1. These are literally labeled Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black and white. That's it, man. And I'm gonna check Sneaker Bar Detroit real quick just to see when he's released. If I'm not mistaken, it was sometime in February. But like I said, man, I'm super surprised I didn't have any extra laces, man. You guys can see, got your white insole in there with the Nike Air. You got some regular tissue paper on the inside. Let's go ahead and scroll down on Sneaker Bar Detroit and see when these things are releasing, because I honestly don't know, bro. I think it was February the 20-something, but I could be wrong. I know they released after the White Ivory 3s, or I think they call them something different, the Craft Ivories, which I did show yesterday. But these are set to release after the metallic gold women's joints. I know you guys probably know what I'm talking about. Put a screenshot up here if you don't. And we also get them after the high 85 metallic burgundy. And later in the month of February, that's when we're gonna be getting these on February the 24th, retailing for $180. Bro. So you guys let me know if this is gonna be a cop. Is it gonna be a drop? Let me know all your honest thoughts and opinions. These might hit the outlets, bro. They might go under retail super fast, but that does not take away the fact that it is an easy pair to rock. That they are, it's a clean colorway. You can't lie, bro. Black and white, can't go wrong with it. And me myself, bro, I was like, hey, I might actually have to get these things just for the simple fact that I can wear them on a day-to-day basis. I ain't gotta worry about, you know, saying them being super loud. I don't gotta worry about a super crispy pair of ones. Just a black and white Air Jordan 1 that you cannot beat, man. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Quick little early look for you guys. These are releasing after the Bread 4 Reimagines. These are releasing after the metallic burgundy high 85s. It's releasing after a lot of different shoes in February, and that's why I think these might get pushed to the back burner and hit the outlets, which is not surprising when it comes to a pair of Air Jordan 1s, man. But like I said, you guys go ahead and comment all your thoughts, all your opinions over this clean Air Jordan 1. Honestly, what I think Jordan Brand should be doing is bringing back those OG colorways, kind of bringing back the hype, the excitement for Jordan 1s, and maybe even, you know what I'm saying, call up Travis Scott and hit him up for another collab for a high Air Jordan 1, man. I think that would be dope and kind of bring back the spark and excitement for Jordan 1s. You guys let me know what you think about that. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And please spam them likes, run them likes up, and comment down below. You guys know I respond to every single comment, man. Again, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all the support. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage gonna hit you guys with some B-roll over the Air Jordan 1 black and white high OG, man.